Hey agency owners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to get to 10k per month really easily with your SMMA if you're a beginner and you're just starting out. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I've scaled my agency to over $1.8 million per year working with SMMA clients across the USA, Europe, the UK, and pretty much the whole world. And I'm on a mission to help other SMMA, other digital marketing agency owners scale their agencies too by sharing all the knowledge and wisdom that I've learned on this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Guys, I am going to give you a really awesome strategy to get to your first 10k per month really quickly and easily as a beginner. Step one. By the way, this assumes that you've got the basics set up in terms of like agency assets, slide deck, website, landing page, a Facebook page at the very least, with a logo. You've decided what niche that you're going to go after and all of that. You got Zoom, Calendly, scheduler. You got all the basics required to start and run an agency in place. You need to have all that stuff first. I'm not going to cover all that in this video, but assuming that you've got that stuff set up, let me teach you how to get to 10k double quick. Assuming that you've chosen your niche, what I want you to do is to join all the relevant Facebook groups that relate to the niche or the niche that you're in. So if you're doing pressure washers, join all the pressure washing Facebook groups. If you're doing real estate, join the real estate Facebook groups. Follow the training in the other video on this channel that teaches you how to get organic leads inbound. Effectively, what I talked about there was joining the groups for your chosen niche or niche, adding 10, 20, 30 people as a friend every day, putting content out on your personal profile. Firstly, an engagement post, asking people, hey, how many viewings have you got this week? Say if you're real estate, or hey, how's the week looking, dental practice owners? You're going to get people comment on that. Facebook's going to tag you then as being an engaging person on their platform because people are commenting and answering these questions that you're putting up on your profile. And then what's going to happen is when you start to put other marketing related content out and start promoting your services, that's going to go to the top of the news feed of all of the friends on your profile, all the people that engaged with those earlier question engagement posts. And because the people that you're adding, your ideal clients on your friends list, like I say, they're going to start to see some of this other content as well because they engaged with that first one. And so when that starts to happen and you start to get some inbound leads, and by the way, you can also do some outbound, like DMing people, add them as a friend from the Facebook group, send them a message, a voice note, record a video of yourself on camera, get creative with your outreach as well. Record yourself on the camera. Hey, my name's John. I help dental practice owners scale to 50k a month with my marketing agency or whatever. I'd love to get you on a call and see if we can help you. All the rest of it. You can do cold email, whatever it is. You just need to prospect like crazy. It's just a matter of just keep going until you get somebody to actually schedule with you, right? So you start to actually generate some sales calls. You could have like a number of offers. You could do a free trial, for example. You're going to get a client pretty quickly that way. You could do your services massively discounted. We'll work for free, you just pay the ad spend, that kind of thing. When I got my first client, it was a member of a franchise, right? And it was a huge opportunity for me because this guy sent me a bunch of referrals. We did great work because he was part of this franchise. Like I say, I saw that was a huge opportunity. So I just charged him the ad spend and like maybe $100 on top, just so that I could feel like I made some money. I think I charged him like $900, $800 ad spend, $100 for my work. I still had a full-time job at the time. This is my first client. And amazingly, he said yes. And that got my foot in the door. So if you're just starting out, you're just looking to get that foot in the door. There's loads of content out there on YouTube, on other channels about client acquisition and getting your first clients. So follow those instructions. And effectively, what you want to do once you're starting to get in front of potential clients and stuff, like I've just said, you either want to offer them like a free trial or a massively discounted program just to get that first client. Now, here's the hack. Here's the thing that you do. Now we'll come into the main crux of what I'm trying to teach here. This is what you say. You say, look, I'll do the marketing as a free trial. We can do this as a free trial. Or if you're doing it as a massive discount, I'll do it half price. Or you just have to pay the ad spend on the basis that the terms and conditions are that if I do this for free for just the ad spend, spend for half price, whatever route you choose to go down. If you agree to sign up with me, I will do this provided at this massively discounted rate or for free. I will do the work provided you agree at the end of 30 days, provided of course I've generated you a positive result. You agree to send me a video testimonial and 4 referrals. That's it. I will work for free. I will do it for half price. I will do it for just the ad spend on the agreement that you will send me a video testimonial at the end. And by the way, if you're worried about that, Mr. Client, just film yourself on selfie mode, 30 seconds, telling me how great it was. Don't have to overthink it, and just text it me on Messenger. Send me the video. Can you agree to do that? Yeah, that's fine. And then send me 4 referrals. All you need to do is post in the group that we're both in and say, hey, I've been working with these guys. I just wanted to share with you, this guy's amazing, and tag me and say, I highly recommend that you check him out. That's all you need to do. 1 video testimonial, make a post in a group. And as long as 4 people reach out to me, then we're all good. I'll happily do it for this price. And the person says, oh wow, the potential client feels like they're getting an amazing deal, right? Like, wow, I'm getting it for free. I'm getting it half price. I'm getting it just for the cost of the ad spend. And all I need to do to reciprocate is send a quick video if it goes well and make 1 post in a Facebook group. Happy days. I'll do that all day if somebody's offering me marketing and I just have to pay the ad spend and send a video. Happy days. That's a very easy yes offer in terms of getting your first client. But the great thing about this is that, let's say you sign that person up. Of course, you then need to work your butt off to get great results. But if you do, as long as that person comes good on the agreement, first of all, at the end of that 30 days, you've got your first video testimonial, which you can then leverage in your marketing. You can put that in your email sequences, in your follow-up sequences. You can put it on your sales funnel. You can put it in your slide deck and play it when you're on sales calls. It's going to help you close more deals. You can leverage that testimonial. You can post it on all the social media platforms to help you get more clients. You can put it in a paid ad, whatever, right? Like, you're going to have a video testimonial at the end. Awesome. But, let's say your client's in a real estate group with 50,000 members in it, and he posts in there. If you were to go and post in a group that's niche specific or niche specific, you probably get booted out, right? Because nobody wants marketers in the Facebook group that are promoting their services. These Facebook groups are supposed to be for professionals of that industry. If your client has gone in there and posted, it's not going to be an issue, right? If it's an industry professional from that niche, from that niche that's recommending you, that's a whole different ballgame. And if you have a guy or a girl or a client that goes and does that in a huge Facebook group and says how amazing you are, that could lead to you getting 20 clients overnight. You could end up with loads of people DMing you. Let's keep it conservative. Let's say 20 people DM you, 7 people schedule a sales call after you follow up with them. And let's say you close 5. That next 5 that you close, you're going to charge them full price because they're warm leads, the trust is there, they've come in from a referral, they don't need convincing. You've got the video testimonial as well to back it up. So you charge them full price. Let's say you charge them $2,000 and those 5 people sign up, you're at 10K a month. So that's how you take a trial client or your first client that you're doing very, very cheaply just to kind of get that first client. That's how you take that first client and you turn it into a 10K a month agency very quickly by signing that first client up on the agreement that you'll do it for free or for a discounted amount, provided they will give you a video testimonial, and at the very least post in a Facebook group and or maybe create a group chat with maybe a few other industry professionals that might be interested in your service. Ideally, get them to post in the group on your behalf, promoting your service. And again, if you're in a really good niche that's got massive Facebook groups with really good quality potential clients, and you've got somebody to go in and they've actually made that post, you could get 20, 30, 40 people DMing you very, very quickly. So for those of you starting out, don't just sign up a trial client. Have some terms and conditions for doing it at that reduced rate for free or whatever it is, and make sure that they come good on that agreement. And that's a very, very quick way to get you to 10K a month. So I hope that you found this useful. Go out there, go and get those first clients. Those of you that are just starting out on your SMMA journey, go and get those first clients. When you sign them up, tell them this is the deal. I want a video testimonial. I want you to post in the group that we crushed it for you as a minimum, and then go out there and get yourself up to 10, 20, 30K super quick. I hope that you found it useful. Like I said, if you did, don't don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with Agency Overhaul on a one-on-one basis, whereby we'll literally come into your agency and help you take it to that next level. It's not another course. It's not another consulting program. It's literally a done for you service. It's called Agency Overhaul. We'll come into your agency and give it an overhaul for you. Head down to the description below for more details about our specialist one-on-one program. See you on the next video. Cheers.